Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's really no sound. I'm talking here and no one listening me. Thank you, Daryl, for your comment, because sometimes I not understand is it working or no. That's why I'm asking. Okay, so I will start from the beginning, right? So today we will create this building. Actually, it's not a building. This like a shading device in Singapore. And we will use only Revit. So as you waited in my YouTube page, so you waited for the Revit, so we will work today only with the Revit, as you like, of course. Sorry for the no sound. I didn't check it before. I'm sorry for that. So we will continue anyway. I'm also fine, thank you. Akshay, or sorry, I cannot read your nickname properly. You're asking something about the Revit 2020. So what do you want to know exactly about that? Because sorry, I didn't get what you're asking for. So I don't wanna spend time. Let's start it. Okay, so here is actually, this is my picture. When I was in the Singapore, I did this picture and this picture too. And today we will create only shape. So in the second tutorial we will create this is panel, because this is panel, it's not so simple. As you can see, it's really parameterized. As you can see here, it's one, like for example, here is only one triangle on this side. Here also the one, but here you can see it's like few but smallest one. And we will try to create this parameterized thing, but on the next tutorial. Today we will create only the shape. Actually, my tutorial today will be not so long, because sorry guys, I don't have a lot of the time. I'm trying for you get some time, but as you know, when you're working and when you have the YouTube channel, it's really hard. So let's get back to the Revit. As you can see, I'm using Revit 2020. You can also get 2020 for free. Student version, it's not able yet, but I think soon it will be able. Anyway, don't work in 2020 like on the general one, because 2020 it's still unstable. Sometimes it's crashing. So think about it. But for the test, it's more than enough. Okay, so let's go back to the Revit. As you can see, I just prepared my windows here, because I also like when my properties on the right side. Some people like when it's only in one tab, but I like this. And let's prepare everything. So let's have a look to my future shading device. The canopy, if you like this name. We will create it right now. As you can see, the entrance, it's a bit on the slope. As you can see, it's here. The exit also, it's on the slope, and we will create right now the entrance and exit. So let's do it. And I need actually this view, some elevation view. I will choose that one. Just right click, go to the elevation view. Let's go to the elevation view. We are here. So by the way guys, you can ask everything what you want. Just don't be silent. Sometimes I'm thinking when you're silent, you don't interesting that, or maybe you will give me some nice ideas. So don't be so shy, okay? Okay, so we are here, and now I need to create some reference plane. Let's create some reference plane 1. I want exactly create the reference plane like 45 degree. So let's go to the, sorry, here my microphone. Let's go to the angle and let's create the exactly 45 degrees. So I want to create 45 degree. This is what I want. Hello. So as you can see, actually it looks like 45, or let's check it out. Oh, this is other side, so we should change it like 120 degree. Let's check it out. It's not a problem. 120 degree, yes, something like that. Maybe it's 140. No, it's too much. 130. Yeah, this is what I want. So let's leave it like that. We can delete now degree, or we don't need now any more dimension. Let's move it. I'll just move it like this, and now I will just copy it by mirror. just let's copy it. Why you use Dynamo for this facade? Yes, we will use Dynamo. We will use more. We will use the random by Python script, but we will do it on the next tutorial. I mean, on the next stream. On this stream, we will create only the shape, because as I said, I don't have a lot of time today, so I'm trying to arrange, you know. Sorry for that. So if you are not interested about the shape, it's okay. I'm okay with that. You can join us on the next stream. So okay, so we have two lines, two reference lines. Let's create a name of these lines. Let's say this will be left. Let's say 1, or maybe let's create it more right. Left entrance. Let's say like this, and this will be right entrance. So yes, it's so right entrance. Underscore and entrance. Oh, sorry, my spelling sometimes it's really worse. Okay, so we have like two planes, reference planes, on which we will draw our future profile. So, and we will do it right now. You can see here I'm using now, for example, a south view, and after that I want to change it to the east view. I want to see on this side, from this side. So let's go to the east view, and as you can see, we cannot see anything. It's okay. Let's go to the meshing, because we will use the mesh. Don't forget, you should switch on your meshing always. And let's go to the mesh in place. So actually you can create meshing inside mesh template in Revit, and after that load it inside to the project. Actually you can create in Rhino, or maybe in SketchUp, whenever you want, but we will use only the Revit, only Dynamo for this project, because you want like that. So let's create the arc, and before we will create the arc, Revit asking us which working plane we will use. Let's open up, and you will see here the level 1, level 2, and you will see our reference planes. This is what I want. I will use, for example, for that view, I will use left entrance. Let's say okay. So when we will draw our arc, so you can see it's not like arc actually, this is like ellipse. You know why? I hope most of you know why it's like that. So let's make it a bit like that. And if I will go to 3D, you will see it's a bit under angle, because it's exactly on our line, as you see. So it's not tricky, but most of the people don't know how to use the reference line. So guys, you can use it like this, why not? It's possible, and it's making your construction more interesting. So now I'm using the east view. Let's go back again to the east view, and let's create one more arc. And now we will set other reference planes, like right reference plane, and let's draw it here. Actually, yeah, we can draw it here. Actually, we can draw it here. Okay, so let's check it out on 3D, and on the other side. So we spent like I don't know how much we spent, less than 10 minutes, right? And we did already our profiles. So the next thing what we're gonna do, just select your first profile, select your second profile, and do magic. Just create the form. Actually, when you will create form, you will get something like tunnel. This is not what we want. We want something kind of shape. So as you can see, it's entrance it's same, but the shape on the middle side is different. So, and we will now edit this place. I mean, edit this mess. Okay, let's go back. So how we can do that? Just use the tab key. I'm using now tab key, as you can see, and select your shape. After that, you will find here under form element edge, at the edge and at the profile. So we will use the profile. We want to create some few profiles. Let's create the few. For example, I will go to the front view. On the 3D, I'm not changing my view. I'm still on the 3D, as you can see, and I will choose, for example, somewhere here. So maybe here. It's okay. So let's now, as you can see, I cannot see my profile till I am don't using my mouse on the same place. You can use actually tab key and you will get this profile too. Let's select this profile and you will see one magic key. You will see you can use the edit profile, so you can edit this how to say let's say you can edit this profile, it's okay. So I will go to the right view, and because I can see properly what's going on here, and for now I will use the spline, because actually spline get able create something interesting form. And let's create something like, oh sorry, this was my mistake. Let's use again I will use for example this spline, that one side and that one side. No, it's not will be work as I want. Maybe it will work. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's working as I want. So let's a bit extend it. And as you can see, we a bit extended this middle part. If we will check again our drawing, or not our drawing, my amazing picture, you will see, yeah, in middle part it's a bit extended, as you can see here. Okay, so maybe let's do a bit more. Because we are not trying to copy, we want to understand how we can create it, right? If I'm not right, you can leave some comments, because again everyone so silent. Okay, so we did one profile, but the second one we should delete. Why we should delete it? Because you cannot leave two profiles in one profile. So let's delete the second one and we will leave that one. Let's say okay, and we get this shape. So this is what we want actually. So what the next? I'm sorry, my neck is it's still pain because I am still cold, but stream is on the time. So I'm going again to the front view. Here I'm on the front view. Now again go to the create. So wait, not create. You should select your surface. After that, go again to the add profile, and we should add two more profiles. Let's add one profile here, and let's add one more profile in this side. So, and yes, we will change it one by one, because if you will see again my amazing picture, you will see that this part is a bit bigger than this middle part. It's going a bit inside. So let's do that. Again, edit profile. Let's go to the some left view. Let's say left view, and let's make it. Now I think I will use arc 1 because it will be enough, and let's make it a bit bigger. So as you can see, I can use this endpoint, and actually it's not working properly. Let's try draw like this. We will change it later on. And here I will just copy it. It's you know it's now AutoCAD part. And let's do like this, and we will delete this part, and I'll delete this profile too. So as you see in 3D, it's now a bit bigger. It's same level. Yeah, it's the same level. And let's say okay, and we get part something like that. So it's already looks a bit like we want. Let's change the other side too. Again, I just choosing the second profile which I created, and let's edit this profile. Let's go on the other side, on the left side, on the right side, and let's change it too. So the same thing. I will use now arc 1. I cannot see properly, so I will do it approximately. I understand, guys, it's not totally right, but as I said, you can make everything with the right numbers, but now I'm doing without that because I will spend time, like, you know, for nothing actually. Yeah, it will be looks pretty cool, but you will sleep, I think, on my stream. So let's do like this, and let's do approximately like this. I will delete these lines, and I will delete look here, I will delete this profile, not that one which I created before. I will create that profile. So this is my new profile. Let's say okay. So we get this form. As you can see, the my entrance part is bigger, my middle part is smaller. Otherwise my middle part is more higher than my entrance part. So this family, we get the family as we want. So we should save actually, because I'm using Revit 2020, but let's say it's not will crash, I hope. So now, so what we're gonna do now, we should create these panels. So we actually, as I said, we not will create today panels, I'm sorry for that, guys, but I will start to create the network for my future panels. On the next stream, which one will be in the next week, we will create the panels, and we will use Dynamo and a bit Python script to create this kind of openings inside our panels. So I think it will be pretty cool stream, I hope. Okay, so let's select our surface. Here is my surface, as you can see, and let's divide it by our surface. Let's divide it. We get some shape, but this is actually not what we want. We want triangle one, because all our panels, it's triangle. So let's change the pattern. As you can see, it's no pattern now. About adaptive component. Yeah, sure, why not? Yes, I can do it. Let's do it later on. Actually, all my videos now on the schedule, guys, and if I'm doing something new, you will see it only after 2 weeks, approximately after 2 weeks. So it's like this, because I cannot actually record video every day, so all the videos on the schedule. Yeah, I will try it. Okay, so and here on the pattern we should use triangle, not flat one, bent one. So if I will use the bent one, you can see it's actually trying to follow my shape of my surface actually. As you can see, actually now panel it's totally big, because on the picture you can see it's really small one. It's like let's say it's like 500 by 400, it's something like that one. We will create something like that. First I will use the numbers, because for me it's more easy now used to numbers, and after that we will switch on to the distance of my panels. So it's 10, let's make it 30, and here let's make the 30 same. Let's say 30, let's say okay. Now we will spend time to prepare our surface before we will start to create, I mean the next stream, when we will start to create the panels, our prepare network should be already work. As you can see, we get something like that, but it's not what I want. Actually, this is really not what I want. Let's now play with these numbers, because it's really a bit sometimes hard. So let's make here, oh, it's my mistake, sorry guys. I will do it again. Bend 30, and here let's make 35. Let's try it out. Yeah, this is more close. Let's make it 36. This is now more better, right? Yes, this is what I want actually. And as you can see, it's angle actually going here to the middle, and from this part it's also going to the middle. I don't like this. I want it's trying to follow my shape. So as you understand, we should a bit make the a bit rotated. So let's go to the all the grids here, all the grids, not only one the grids. We will go to the all the grids, and then here we'll make the 45 degree. Yes, but as you can see, it's sometimes going here totally big. Is it possible to create custom pattern? Of course possible. Yes, possible. But actually, you will. I will say true. Actually, you will modify already existing one. It's not will be totally own pattern. It will be modified pattern. So let's say like this. Okay, but still, yeah, you can create some custom thing. Okay, here the 45, but here it's still big. Let's change it, for example, here to the 40. Let's say okay, it's, oh yeah, now it's going to the right side. 45, and here maybe 40. So we will play now. So sorry, I will spend a bit time to the play with this shape, because I wanna get something close to the what we want to create. So 45, maybe here even 50, let's say. Yeah, 50 it's more better. And what I'm gonna do next? Next I will switch my fixed number to the fixed distance. As you can see, I get number, and fixed distance I get number. So as I said, it's pretty close. It's 400 millimeters by 1000 millimeters. So let's make here the exactly 400 millimeters like this, and here maybe I will make 800 millimeters, and let's check it out what we gonna get. Yeah, maybe, but baby don't say maybe. So this is not what we want. Maybe I will make it here belt measurements. I will do 0. Yes, and now we should again play with everything that thing. Sorry guys. So distances should be, let's say, 1. It's totally small. Let's say here will be 600 millimeters, and here 1000 millimeter. It's not 1000 I said. Oh yes, this is looks like how we want, but I will change the now angle. 30 degree, no. 0, let's say from the 0. No, 0 it's totally no. 60 degree. Yes, but it's going too small. Let's make here 0.3. Okay, here 0.5 we'll leave. Okay, so done. It's exactly what I want. Oh my gosh, how I did it I don't know. Okay, sorry. How to create custom pattern. I'll do like this. Custom pattern I will create the tutorial. Okay, I will create like an independent tutorial, and I will upload to my channel, because if I will show it right now, some people not will find it on my channel, so it will be a bit terrible, as you understand. Are you agree with me, guys? Are you okay if I will create the independent tutorial, and you will see it later on, let's say like after 1 week? Is it okay? So you are my followers, you are my friends, that's why I'm asking you. So we did it, 60 degree, this is what I want, and let's now select configure our UV map. So let's go inside to the UV map and let's check it out. So now everything on the middle, here it's like distance, okay, 50, and I'll make it here 10 degree. Is it possible? No. Let's make minus. I hope it's minus degree working. Yes, as you can see, when I did minus degree, now it's going from the one side to the other like one line, so it's working. Because here you can see this is going something like one line and the second line, and that's why I'm trying to create this something same. If we will see from this part, we will get my picture, so it's like this. Okay, actually you can change, for example, the dot from where we'll start our pattern. So you can use it here, you can actually, for example, use some lines here and change it, but I not will change it. This is what I want. And let's finish them and save it, because I really afraid new version of the Revit, as you understand, but still I wanna test it, how it's working, is it cool working or no. Let's say this is Singapore garden canopy. So this will be our file. Do you want, I can share with you with this file if you want, guys. If not, I will share with you the file when we will finish all this project. But if you want to follow me up, I can share with you with this file later on. Just let me know in the comments. Okay, so we did it. This is what we want on this stage. Actually, as I said, will be yeah, I will do this tutorial, it's okay. As I said, guys, this stream is really short, I'm sorry for that, but we finished already our generic or basic things. On the next stream, which will be in in the next week, we will create the family. We will create our panels, and we will use Dynamo with the Python, as I said. So it will be on the next stream. That's why I said. If you have the question, please you can write some questions right now. I will try to answer. If don't, in 5 minutes I will finish my stream. Again, sorry for this short stream, but I want to share with you every day with my knowledge. So I'm just waiting some questions. I hope you will answer. You will leave some questions right now. Okay, so 4 minutes I am waiting, and after that, done. Later on, you will find under this video a link to download this model to follow me up on the next stream, because on the next stream we will work a lot of time with the Dynamo, with the family. That's why we will not have time to create this shape. So it's like this. I will save it. I will close it everything now, and I'm just waiting like 3 minutes more, and I will finish this stream. Anyway, thank you guys for you watching me. I really appreciate it. Don't be shy, leave sometimes comments, and don't forget about the like. Because when you give me some likes, I'm thinking like, oh, how to make double Latin structure, how to make tutorial on Spanish roof. Yes, about Spanish roof. Actually, in YouTube you will find a lot of video about the Spanish roof. I don't wanna copy them. If I will find some interesting way to create Spanish roof, I will do it, okay? Because I don't wanna copy some content from the other people. If I will find some really nice way to create Spanish roof, I will do it. Deal? About double structure, so double structure you can, for example, if you are using let's say you are using the panels, you can use tricky way to create the double structure. You should use the dots. So how I can show you? I have tutorial. You will find on my channel tutorial. It's called give me a second, I will tell you which tutorial. Just check it out, and I think you will find the answer. Just give me a second, I will leave the link to this tutorial. Maybe you will find the answer on your question. Just a second, okay? I looked on YouTube, but yes, it's all different, but yes, I will try find my way. If it will be really simple and handy, I will create the tutorial. Is it okay? So just give me a second. I just looking with my video with this double panels. Just a second. It was long time ago. I think it was like one of the first my popular video on YouTube. Where is it? Okay, I'm near. Where is that? Aha, I find it. Okay, so just copy the link. Okay, so here is it. Just I'll try to reply to you. Where is how I can reply to you, man? You just a second. 1, 2, 3. You are here. Here the link. Check it out. If it's not what you want, just let me know under some comments. I reading all the comments, or you can send me some example to my email, and I will try to do it. It's okay. So if you don't have any comments or I mean the questions, I will finish the stream. Thank you guys for watching. You are really the best. I am doing it only for you guys. And a next stream in the same time in the next week. So don't forget about my stream. It's also for you guys. Okay, so you don't have questions. If you have, leave the comments. I will answer as soon as possible. So I should say bye, guys. see you the next stream, and after tomorrow the new video. Don't forget about it. It will be really interesting. It will be about the topography as you like. Okay, so see you soon.